Motivation is basically a process that accounts for an individual's intensity, direction, and persistence of effort towards achieving an objective or a goal. So basically, the process of motivation requires intensity, right direction, and persistence of effort in achieving a goal. Let's take this definition a little further. What is intensity, what is direction, and what is persistence of effort? Intensity basically refers to how hard a person tries to achieve his or her goal. Then there is a direction. A direction refers to the clarity of the goal or the series of steps a person has to take in order to achieve a goal. And finally, there is a persistence of effort. Persistence means the amount of time the individual maintains his or her effort in order to achieve a goal. So motivation is comprised of three things: intensity plus direction plus persistence of effort in the long run. Before we move on, we have to understand the difference between intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. So what is intrinsic and what is extrinsic motivation? Extrinsic motivation is external form of motivation. This kind of motivation is driven by external factors. Let's take an example. You are an employee and your boss sets a deadline on a project and your bonus is tied to the accomplishment of the goals of the project. Then the bonus is form of the extrinsic motivation. It's coming from the outside. And another extrinsic motivator in this situation is your boss expectations. Your boss's expectations and the bonus which is tied to the completion of this project is your extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation, on the other hand, is the internal form of motivation. Now, internal form of motivation means that the motivation comes from the inside of an individual. Intrinsically motivated individuals strive towards a goal for personal satisfaction and accomplishment. So an individual may not even think about the long-term external rewards such as bonuses, such as increments in salaries, but will strive to accomplish the goals to fulfill personal satisfaction and fulfillment.